Hey everyone, it is Carrie with a Pinch of Salt, and today I am showing you the May subscription box. This month we are creating this cute little door hanger that has a little bee, a flower, and the word hi on it. I painted it black and white. You can paint it however you'd like it, but that's just what I did. You can follow along with the paint that's included. With the flowers, I kept it pretty simple. You just paint it white. Because the flower petals will like overlap each other. So I just painted the flower petals white, I painted the inside of the flower yellow, and then I'll go ahead and add some accent color later with some polka dots and some stripes to the flowers later on in the video. We also have a little bee to decorate, and then we have the word hello. I'm sorry, we have the word hi that is going to be put on there. The yellow that I have is a little darker than what you guys have in your box, but you could mix in a little colors if you want to add a brighter yellow, or you can always use your own acrylic paints if you have any extra. So I try to paint everything in order. So I paint all the white together, paint the black together, and then I paint the yellow together, and then I put it all on the board to show what it looks like. For the back of the board, you're going to use the little slat. You are going to put it all together and then lay that slat right through the middle. It will be a little flimsy, so wait till it's dry to flip it back over. Make sure it's all even though. And once you get the other pieces onto your board, it will be attached a lot better. They kind of hold it to make it a little bit more stable. I did dry brush white paint onto the black and a little yellow onto the white that you guys can do. A little bit on the flower. I don't think I did anything to the bee or the hi. I left that pretty bold. So you can do whatever you'd like if you do like to dry brush that. Oh, I did. I guess I did do the body of the bee. With a little dry brushing. So once I'm all finished, I'm going to get it all glued on there. Like I said, once it's all glued, it'll be a little bit more stable from just that slat in the back. These pieces will go over like some of the boards, so it will hold it together a lot better. You do have a pin included in your subscription box this month. So that's a super cool thing I thought I would add in for you guys. Once you get your project all glued together, you can use the end of a paintbrush or anything else if you want to add some white or black polka dots to the board. I used a little bit of white with my white paint pen that I had. And then I went back in with the black paint pen and I did some polka dots with the paintbrush, but then I went back in later on and did some lines with the black paint pen. It has like a fine line sign, so I love that. I practiced on a piece of paper first to make sure it doesn't have a lot of ink on it, but it worked better than the white ones that I usually use. So I'm gonna see if this company has other colors because I just love the way that it painted. Added a little bit of lines here and there, just kind of around like the rounded parts of the bee and on the hi, but again, you can do it however you would like it. I hope you guys love adding the paint pen in this month. I thought that was a great little addition to it since there wasn't a lot of paint colors, but feel free to add your own paint colors if you'd like. I can't wait to see your projects. If you guys have any questions or any concerns, you can always send me a message. It was pretty simple cutting and placing together, so hopefully there's no pieces missing this month. I know that happens when there is a lot of pieces, so I hope we're all good this month for you. You've got your jute in there that you can hang. I just tied a little bow at the top and then it was ready to hang on my door.